We've got another derivative problem. Find f prime in simplified form. So in this case, they're asking us to simplify it. That's not going to be an important piece here. And so as we look at this, this is one function divided by another, p divided by q. So this will be our quotient rule. And the quotient rule is equal to the derivative of the numerator times the denominator plus the derivative of the denominator times the numerator. So we'll say p is equal to 3x squared minus 5. P prime is 6x. Q will equal 2 minus x squared. Q prime will be negative 2x because the derivative of the 2 is 0. I'll bring the 2 down. 2 times the negative 1 that's there is negative 2x to the 1. So now we'll put everything back together. Oh, but I wrote the rule down wrong. The derivative of the first, or the numerator times the denominator minus the derivative of the denominator times the numerator all over our denominator q squared. So that's the rule we're going to follow. P prime is 6x. Q will be 2 minus x squared minus q prime is negative 2x, and p is 3x squared minus 5. All over the denominator 2 minus x squared all squared. Now we'll have to simplify. So what do they mean by simplify? Well, we can leave the denominator as is, because that's already kind of in factored form. But we need to distribute. We'll turn these two negatives into a positive, and then we'll distribute that 2x into both terms, and we'll have 12x minus 6x cubed, and then we'll have plus 2x times 3x squared is 6x cubed. 2x minus 5 is minus 10x. All over 2 minus x squared squared. And then we'll collect like terms, and then we'll be simplified. So this negative 6x cubed and 6x cubed make 0. And 12x minus 10x will equal 2x in the numerator, and we'll leave that factored denominator out as is. That's what they're looking for when they say simplified form.